let us see the first question for cards questions. The first question is, one card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. 52 cards means it is a normal pack of cards. Each of the cards being equally likely to be drawn. Means there is no biasness. It is an unbiased pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing an ace. Ace, we have seen that there are 52 cards, and in 52 cards there are 4 suits, and each suit has 1 ace. So 4 suits have 1 into 4, that is 4 ace. So total number of ace are 4. So the probability is number of favorable outcomes, that is 4 ace, divided by total number of possible outcomes. What are the total number of possible outcomes? 52. So the probability is 1 by 13. Next is drawing a red card. In the pack of 52 cards, there are 26 red cards, that is 13 heart and 13 diamond. So the probability is 26 by 52, as red cards are 26 in number and 52 are the total number of cards that are available in a pack. So the probability is 1 by 2. That is, there are 50% chances of drawing a red card. Either a red card or a king. Now we have an or in between. Or means that we have to include this side and this side, both the sides. So there are total 52 cards. In these 52 cards, there are 13 diamond and 13 heart. Okay, so there are total 26 red cards. Now, number of king cards, we have 4 suits and each suit has 1 king card, that is 1 diamond, 1 heart, 1 club and 1 spade. So there are 4 king cards in total and there are 26 red cards in total. But 1 heart shaped red card and 1 diamond card are already included in red card. So this leaves us with common. These 2 cards are common in both the sets. So we will exclude these in one of the sets, leaving us with 26 addition of these 2 king cards which are not included in the red cards. So total there are 28 favorable outcomes, that is 28 cards that are desired to be picked out from a pack of 52 cards. So the probability comes out to be 7 by 13. Now next is a face card. How many face cards are there in a pack of 52 cards? We have seen there are 3 face cards per suit. Okay, so there are total 4 suits. So 4 into 3, that is 12 face cards are total. So probability is 12 divided by 52, that is 3 divided by 13. Now 10 of black suit. Now black suit. There are 2 black suits, club and spade. 10 is there in both of them. 10 is there in club, 10 is there in spade. So there are total 2 cards that are desirable in this condition. That is, the probability is 2 divided by 52, that is 1 by 26. Now let us see some other questions. It is known that a box of 600 bulbs contain 12 defective bulbs. So out of 600 bulbs that are present, 12 are defective bulbs. 1 is taken out at random. We pick out 1 at random from these 600 bulbs. Find the probability that it is non-defective. Now there are 12 defective ones and total number of bulbs are 600. So how many will be non-defective? How many bulbs are there that are non-defective? That is 600 minus 12. That is 12 can be subtracted from 600. So which leaves us with 588. So there are 588 bulbs that are non-defective. Now this many are the bulbs that are non-defective and we need to find the probability of taking out a non-defective bulb. So the number of favorable outcomes are 588. So the probability is 588 divided by 600, that is 49 by 50. That is, there are 98% chances that the bulb taken out from the lot of 600 bulbs are Non-defective at 98%. Next question. 1,000 tickets of a lottery were sold and there are 5 prizes on those tickets. If Saket has purchased one lottery ticket, what is the probability of winning the prize? Okay, now there are 1,000 lottery tickets and there are only 5 prizes. So the total number of outcomes is 1,000. Now to win a lottery ticket, Saket needs to buy a lottery that has a prize on it. How many lottery tickets have a prize on it? That is 5. So the number of favorable outcomes will be 5 and the total number of possible outcomes are 1,000. So the probability is 5 by 1,000, that is 1 by 200. Next question. A child has a black in the shape of a cube with one letter written on each face. A, B, C, D, E and A. The cube is thrown once. What is the probability of getting? It is simple question, like we have a dice that has 6 faces on it. Here also we have a cube that has 6 faces on it. But instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as there is in a dice, here it is written A, B, C, D, E and A. So we need to find the probability of getting an A. Now in these 6 letters that are written on the cube, there are 2 ways. That is, the total number of favorable outcomes will be 2 and the total number of outcomes will be 6. So probability is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. D. Now in these 6 letters written here, D is only 1. So the total number of favorable outcomes will be 1 and the total number of possible outcomes is 6. So the probability is 1 by 6. A bag contains 5 red balls, 8 white balls, 4 green balls, 7 black balls. If one ball is drawn at random, find the probability that it is black. Okay, so we have 5 red, 8 white, 4 green and 7 black balls. Okay, so the total number of balls are 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7, that is 24 balls. Total number of possible outcomes are 24. And now the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome, we need a black ball. How many black balls? 7 black balls. So the probability is 7 number of favorable outcomes divided by 24, total number of possible outcomes, that is 7 by 24. Next is the red ball. How many red balls? 5. So the total number of favorable outcomes 5 divided by 24, that is total number of possible outcomes is 24. So the probability is 5 by 24. Not green. Not green. Now we can do this in 2 ways. First is we can find the probability of getting a green ball and subtracting it from 1, that is P not occurrence of an event is equal to 1 minus P probability of an occurrence of an event. We can use this. So let's first see by this method. The total number of green balls are 4 and the total number of balls are 24. So the probability is 4 by 24 of getting a green ball. Probability of getting a green ball is 1 by 6, that is 4 by 24 equal to 1 by 6. Now the probability of not getting a green ball in addition to probability of getting a green ball is equal to 1. That is probability of an non-occurrence of an event plus probability of an occurrence of an event is equal to 1. Now probability of not getting a green ball is 1 minus probability of getting a green ball, that is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Now there is one more method. If we are not getting a green ball, then the options are red, white and black balls. So we can find out the number of non-green balls. What are the total number of non-green balls? Red balls plus white balls plus black balls, that is 20 balls. So the probability of not getting a green ball is 20 divided by 24, that is 5 divided by 6.